This video is a quick guide to installing Python on your Windows 10 or 11 operating system. First, open any internet browser on your computer and go to google.com. Then search for Python. You will see the official Python website. Click on it. This will take you to the Python website, python.org. Now scroll down and you will see the download section. Here you will find the latest version of Py available. For me, Python 3.13.0 is the latest version. Click on it. Next, scroll down. In Files section, find the Windows installer. And we will download the recommended version for Windows. Our Python installer is now downloading. It should only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open the file and setup pop-up will appear. You will see two main options. You can choose the first option, Install Now, which installs Python in default location. This installation includes ideally pip and documentation. I will select Customize Installation instead. Before that, I will check Use Privilege and add python.exe to the path. Now click on Customize Installation. Then leave everything as it is, just like I am doing. Click Next again. Now you can change the install location for Python if you like, but I will keep it at the same. If you have multiple users on your PC and one Python available for all, check this option. Now click Install, and the installation process will take a short amount of time. This depends on your system speed. And there you go, our installation setup is complete. To verify the installation, open command prompt. Then type Python version and hit enter. You should see that we have installed Python 3.13.0 on our system. Now type Python and press enter. Then write print hello world and press enter again. And there it is, our Python program ran successfully. Best of luck for your Python journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the channel.